Has your garnish or trim ring on the inside of your RV cracked for your RV vent fan? Well, I wouldn't want to purchase a whole new fan just for the trim ring. Well, you are in luck. Hi, I'm Lindsay from RecPro, and today I'm here to tell you guys all about our 6-inch garnish trim ring for your roof vent fan. So the product code for this is RP-2031, and this trim ring has a 6-inch height to it. I'm gonna put the rest of the dimensions up here on the screen for you guys. So this trim ring, it works at covering the hole that you drill to install your roof vent into the roof of your RV. So it covers that, makes it look nice and pretty from the inside of your RV. And it is really easy to install. It already has pre-drilled holes in the trim ring so that you can just stick some screws up there and secure it to your roof. It comes in this white color, and it is made from a hard, rigid, durable plastic that is meant to last. If you guys are interested in this product, please check out the link down in the description below. And while you're down there, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.